Hello, viewers. Today we'll be cooking a seasoned chicken and shrimp kebabs, and this is we're using chicken breast today, which is normally chicken breasts. Here we are cutting it into cubes, into smaller pieces. We're going to first do that of the chicken before we do the shrimp. So you can use, after cutting it as I'm doing now into cubes, you can season it with any type of seasoning. But today we're going to be using garlic, onions, paprika, cayenne pepper, curry, basil, ginger, garlic to season it. So it's very nutritional. It's all protein. Chicken is protein. Shrimp is protein. So if you are on a low diet, a low carb diet, you can easily just eat this and drink, have a drink with it, and you'll be full by the time you take a stick or two with it. So here the cubes, the chicken has been cut into smaller pieces, and we are going to start putting our seasonings. We have the garlic, as I said. We have the ginger, and we also have the basil. And these are in paste form, which is very easy now. It takes a lot of work from it, and it is it's fresh in the paste form. So all you need to do is just open it and press the quantity you need on it. And what I'm doing now is not more than a teaspoon of each seasoning. So when all this is done, you add salt, of course, pepper, and all that. When all this is done, you mix all of them together. Mix all of them together for it to real mix. And here is paprika, and you put all of them together to give it a good mix, to give it a good rub on the chicken. And we're going to leave the chicken in we're going to leave you can leave it in the fridge for it to marinate, or you can just leave it on your tabletop for some minutes. So I am leaving this for about 15 minutes before I start putting it in the sticks. So this still all the seasonings that we are putting. As you can see, we just put the curry and paprika, cayenne pepper, and then now we're going to give it a good mix. Kebabs, you can use it just as a drink. In the evening, you're outside with your friends, you do some kebabs, either shrimp or the chicken, as we are going to do today, and you stay outside in your patio or in your living room and enjoy watching your TV. It is very filling, and that is why I like it. I I make that, you know, seasonally. I make it not every day, but at least sometimes I do that, and that is it. It's very easy. Cut your chicken in pieces, put all your seasonings. You can choose the seasoning that you want. You can put cumin, can put cilantro, whatever seasoning that you like. Now we are cutting the bell peppers that we are going to put in the skewers as well. In this, either you are using an iron skewer, or you are using a chopstick. So we are going to use the stick version today. So you have all the different colors of pepper, the green and the red. If you have the orange, the better. And cutting onions into large chunks. The same thing with the peppers, as you can see now. So we're removing the inner portion of the bell peppers away to throw away, and then we cut the bell peppers in chunks as well. They're big, not too big, but sizable, in squares or whatever format you need, but not tiny. It should be big chops, as you can see that we're doing. Yeah, as you can see here. So we do that. The same thing we're going to do with the onions as well. These are the bell peppers, cutting them. This is what we're going to use to add to the chicken in the chops. So it's already all chopped up now, and that is the onion. We also, a lot of people, some people use the white onion, but I always like the purple onion because it's tastier. So we're going to cut those ones too into big chunks. And almost done. And then you separate the onions. By the time you cut it to big chunks, as it's shown now, you separate the onions, because you know the onions comes in layers. So after cutting them in big chunks, you have to separate it. Yeah, separate each one so that it can go through the stick, as you can see here. So now we are putting them in the skewer. You see that how colorful it is. You first put each one, as you see, and it's beautiful, and it has it has sight, and of course, because of the bell peppers are nutritious as well. So you see that, as you can see, we're putting them in sticks, and here is all of them. Beautiful colors, multicolors. You see, multicolors with the onions, nutritious. And then now we are in the shrimp. We're putting that aside to do that of the shrimp so that we can grill all of them together in the oven. So just as we did that of the chicken, you can see we are also putting the same seasonings on the shrimps. This time I'm not putting garlic or ginger, but I'm putting the other seasonings. You have the salt, iodized salt. You have the cayenne pepper. This shrimp is already pre-cooked. This is already pre-cooked, and that was, what is the first. It's already pre-cooked, and so that it's easier. When it's pre-cooked, it's easier in your skewers, and it doesn't take much time. So what we are doing now is putting the onion. We're putting ground onions, cayenne pepper, and putting some cinnamon and paprika. So, and that is that. Mixing all together. So just as we did, we are putting it now into the skewers, as you can see. Putting each, maybe three pieces in one stick. Beautiful look. You see that? So this is a food you can do every weekend. just to for the family. You can use it to eat your food, rice, whatever. You can eat it alone. You can eat it with salads. Very good, as you can see. And that is how we are going to do all of them. And then it will now be put on the oven 375 oven. Preheat your oven and put it in put a pan with foil paper, and everything is arranged on it. The chicken and the chicken kebabs and also the shrimps. And then we're putting it in the oven now to grill. And we're going to leave it for about 30 minutes. Yeah, you see, it's ready. It's oven, it's been grilled. Oh, well, by the time don't forget to put your olive oil to spray it, olive oil. That is so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Right now, you see how beautiful the shrimps is. This is the shrimp kebab. And also, you have the chicken and also the shrimp. Beautiful. Very good for parties. And then today, I just made some side salad, added some rice, and then that is the chicken kebabs. So it was yummy, 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 yummy. Added some olive oil on my salad. Thanks for watching, and give it a share, comment, and subscribe, and give it a try. You will love it. And on the comment section, come back to tell me how you fared. Bye bye.